Is your Tesla Model 3 not auto-locking? Don't worry, it's a common issue. This video will guide you through the fixes. The walk-away auto-lock feature enhances security and convenience by automatically locking the doors when you move a short distance from the vehicle, 5 to 10 meters. It relies on the phone key system using Bluetooth. If it's not working, the most likely causes are outdated software, disabled settings, or occasionally hardware issues. We'll start with the simplest solutions. A common fix for Tesla Model 3 auto-lock issues is to repair your phone key. Start by opening the Tesla app on your phone. In the app, navigate to the vehicle controls and find the phone key settings. Remove your current phone as a key by selecting the Remove option. Then, re-add your phone by following the on-screen instructions. This typically involves scanning a QR code or entering a PIN to pair the device. Crucially, ensure Bluetooth is enabled on your phone. The auto-lock feature uses Bluetooth Low Energy to detect your phone's proximity to the vehicle. Also, verify that location services are enabled for the Tesla app. This allows accurate detection of your phone's position relative to the vehicle. Sometimes, a simple restart can resolve glitches. Try restarting your Tesla by going to Controls, Safety and Security, Power Off. Wait a couple of minutes, then press the brake pedal to turn it back on. Also, force close and reopen the Tesla app on your phone. This can refresh the connection between your phone and the car. Bluetooth signals can be disrupted by interference from other electronic devices, Wi-Fi networks, or physical barriers like walls and metal objects. To test this, try the auto lock feature in an open area with minimal electronic devices around you. Also, check your phone's battery level. A low battery can sometimes weaken the Bluetooth signal, making it harder for the car to detect your phone. If you have multiple Bluetooth devices connected to your phone, try disconnecting some of them. This reduces signal competition and can improve the connection to your Tesla. If you've tried all the basic troubleshooting steps and the auto lock still isn't working, there might be a hardware issue at play. Common hardware problems include a faulty Bluetooth module or malfunctioning door sensors that prevent the system from detecting when you walk away. In this case, schedule a service appointment with Tesla for professional assistance. Tesla technicians can use diagnostic tools to identify the exact problem and perform the necessary repairs. Remember, if your Tesla Model 3 is still under warranty, these hardware repairs should be covered at no cost to you. When you go to service, bring your phone and any physical keys you have. Be ready to explain when the problem started and what you've already tried. Tesla is continuously improving its features. Expect future updates to integrate auto lock with smart features like auto unlock and potentially biometric authentication like facial recognition for added security. Keep an eye out for these enhancements in upcoming software releases. Future updates like V14 may use machine learning to adapt locking timings based on user behavior. Experts recommend regularly updating your Tesla app and software to ensure optimal performance of the auto lock feature. This helps fix bugs and improves reliability based on Tesla's ongoing updates. Be cautious about using multiple phones as keys, as this can sometimes cause conflicts with the Bluetooth pairing. Experts advise sticking to one primary phone key to avoid interference. While walkaway lock enhances security, remember that Bluetooth can be vulnerable to spoofing attacks. The communication protocol diagram shows how adversaries can impersonate signals, so be aware of this risk. Consider enabling additional security measures like PIN to drive for extra protection. This tutorial image shows how to set up a PIN entry for added security beyond phone keys. In summary, Tesla Model 3 owners report high satisfaction with auto lock features, but staying updated and aware of vulnerabilities ensures your vehicle remains secure. These expert tips and security considerations will help you maintain a secure and reliable Tesla Model 3 auto lock system.